Hi, this is Troy Jones, the Coldwell Banker, Chicago Advantage. I'm here at 5413 Merrywind Court. This is in Clear Pond. So, Carolina Forest, Myrtle Beach area. Brand new Mungo construction. This is the Stevenson floor plan. It's listed at $229,900. So this new construction is already built, it's move-in ready. Lots of upgrades that they put throughout the house. So this floor plan has all of the bedrooms on the second floor. Has a really wide open kitchen. So natural gas community. You have gas range, gas water heater, gas heat. So large pantry. There's going to be your half bath. So this kitchen is just really wide open. It's asking for an island or something here. Nice flooring. And beautiful Carolina room. Now this has a pad and additional exterior storage, so things like your mower. It's also where your water heater is located. All right, so going upstairs. Downstairs you have a vinyl material that's very durable, water resistant. Great for lots of traffic. As soon as you come up to the stairs, now the whole second floor is carpeted. This is going to be guest bedroom number 1 on your left. So on your right hand side, top of the stairs, you're going to have your master and guest bedroom. So good sized master. This actually faces out to the common area. Nice fountain there. Amenities center in the background. So this has dual vanity. Actually has a full window in the bathroom, so you get lots of natural light. You can see the white ceramic tile. Just a very bright bathroom. And it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting in here, but this is like an agreeable gray color. So nice gray. And this is your third bedroom. Good size. And again, this is the Stevenson. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you so much. Have a great day.